What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're going to be jumping into something kind of cool. Struggle Jennings and his daughter, Brianna, doing Have You Ever Seen the Rain by Creedence Clearwater Revival over on Country Rebel. If you guys enjoy it, definitely go show all of those artists some love. Show Struggle some love. Show Brianna some love. Show Country Rebel some love as well. Let's jump into it. Let's check it out together. You left it on the quest form. I'm here with it. Most certainly know the CCR version of Have You Ever Seen the Rain. This is going to be... like, I love myself a family performance now. Let's go.
Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm, and I know.
Oh my gosh.
It's been coming for some time.
If that is not the odds of a proud daddy, I'm saying that's straight up a proud of your daughter look. Tell me it's not. Yeah, daddy proud. I like that.
When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water.
This is adorable.
I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day?
I have indeed. Coming up in Bama. It used to rain in the front yard, be sunny in the backyard. Nobody could explain this, like the Twilight Zone. I have seen the rain.
Yesterday and day.
He got that struggle deep. Let's go.
Sun is cold, rain is hard. I know it's been that way my whole life.
Wow.
Till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow, and I know it can't stop. I wonder, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day?
Let's go. We love a family performance.
Coming down on a sunny day.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Struggle Jennings and Brianna Harness. Have you ever seen the rain? If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure that they just come from a long line of country artists. Like a long line of musicians, a long line of that kind of thing. I will go double check myself, but I'm pretty sure that both of them do. Like, legitimately, if you guys enjoyed it, go check out Struggle Jennings. Go check out Brianna Harness. I'm going to leave all of the channels down below. Definitely go by it. Show Country Rebel some love on their channel. Hit the like button if you liked it, the dislike button if you disliked it. Check out the other video up there. One of these guys up here. Till the next one, I'm highly combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.